try to unlock it. Put the key in and try and turn it, and wouldn't you know, it won't unlock the door. Okay, so no matter what, it won't unlock. I can't open it. So I'm going to go back over to passenger. And if you listen, put the key in, and it unlocks. Now I go back to the driver door. And same driver door. That didn't work before. Okay. And unlocked it. As you see. And I can lock it. And now I can't unlock it. So the only way I'm able to unlock my door is by going ahead and unlocking it through the passenger door or through the trunk first. That's the only way I'm able to unlock my driver's side door. And the reason is there's some sort of security device, something to do with the doors, and it's located on the passenger kick panel of the passenger seat, front passenger seat, behind the fuse panel, and it's a little white thing, and I'm gonna have to get it replaced. But I figured I'd share it with you and show you what's going on with my Honda Pilot EXL 2003 door locks, how they won't unlock, and it has nothing to do with the door actuators. And I know this because I replaced all of them with brand new ones. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Have a great day. Bye.